Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chintamani Chitale from Mankind Pharma, and I welcome you all to this red-lettered day in the history of pharma industry, where a real-life hero meets real.
Always keen to do things. He was very fast on his feet. And similarly, he was very fast in his mind also.
My father is my first and only role model, I would say, and my mentor. But as a kid, while you're growing up, you don't have that sense. So I think with me, I always wanted to fit into his shoes.
The way he takes interest, the way he devotes himself to that thing. Lot of waiting list for him as far as the treatment is concerned.
जो व्यक्ति अपनी जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ है, अपने परिवार से जुड़ा हुआ है, अपने स्टेट से जुड़ा हुआ है और अपने देश से जुड़ा हुआ है, उससे अच्छा नागरिक कोई नहीं हो सकता। आज भी वही कहते हैं, हापुड़ मेरा शहर है।
तो पंख है, तू है हवा है, तू है तो उड़ान है, तू है तो है दुआ।
Sometimes I just admire him. We are together on the same table, discussing a table. He'll come out, eureka, with something very different, unconventional. Salute to you, Anil.
And he's a role model for all the dentists, and the way he has brought the dentistry to this present height. And I'm thankful to you, Dr. Saab, for all the things you have done for this country and for this profession.
A wise man once said that a mark of a true father is the way he treats his children when no one is watching. So, Papa, thank you for teaching us how to handle success with humility, how to handle ambition with passion.
This is what shows me what God has given me. The people sitting here, Tushar Mehta, N.N. Vora, Dr. Bhargav, Dr. Seth, those stand by me and they are my strength.
As people in Delhi often says that everyone knows only two Kohlis, Virat Kohli and Dr. Anil Kohli, sir. So thank you, sir.